Minister Vorenge Bainimarama has had an eventful year for a leader who's worked tirelessly towards building, shaping and creating a stronger and better Fiji for everyone. Prime Minister Bainimarama's leadership continues to break through newer heights towards ensuring a dynamic and vibrant socio-economic foundation for all Fijians. In its first year after democratic elections, 2015 has been a year of turning promises into deeds, and that is what government continues to achieve. Historical landmark achievements paving the way for real and tangible results for all citizens of our nation. In the international arena, never before has Fiji's diplomatic relations soared, with a number of record bilateral and multilateral ties established with countries around the globe, all part of promoting and strengthening Fiji's strategic position and potential to the world. Under his leadership, Fiji has and continues to be at the forefront of international talks, advocating a specific leader and voice for the reduction of carbon emissions caused by industrialized economies, leading to coastal floodings and sea level rise for many Pacific islands. Regionally, Fiji has chaired the Melanesian Spearhead Group and has been the driving force behind the implementation of the MSG trade agreement, as well as negotiations for an economic partnership agreement with the European Union. Fiji has continued to push above its weight by representing and championing the rights and common issues faced by Pacific Island states through hosting the Pacific Island Development Forum and, for the first time, the African Caribbean Pacific Meeting, a meeting targeted at developing realistic solutions to the challenges of sustainable development in the Pacific. Despite his very busy schedule, the Prime Minister has travelled extensively around the country, visiting all sections of communities and making time for them. A leader who's there for his people during times of hardships, listening to their plight and making their concerns a priority in moving the nation forward. A leader who's crossed barriers to talk to grassroots people in the rural and urban centres, ensuring that the voices of the people are heard and that development programs are targeted towards their benefit. Investing hundreds of millions of dollars into our infrastructure towards better roads, more efficient wharves, better airports, better telecommunication, connectivity with water and electricity. From women's resource centres, telecentres, biofuel mills, schools and the implementation of free education for all children and free milk for Year 1 students around Fiji. Creating wave after wave of opportunities for those living in remote rural islands to the urban centres and putting in place a robust economic framework with consistent policies targeted at modernising the Fijian economy through the encouragement of growth, investment and confidence. Fiji has and will continue to see immense transformation in all sectors under his leadership, all targeted towards the vision of an inclusive nation with fairness and justice for all.